just slack me or try to
I
slack.
have a question for you. So,
For me?
yes, for you.
Okay. I thought you said
Would have been
Simone.
for me.
No, I thought she said Simone. I have a question for you. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, no, that was for you. So okay, again with this customer that I have that's doing that has the 500,000, um, but he has a lower credit score. So his credit score, I think he said was 620, but he wants to start buying properties.
You know
So
properties?
he already owns a property, so he was thinking of taking out equity out of his property. He already has in his home about 300,000 in his home. So he was thinking of using that to start buying properties.
And
So
so,
my question was, I don't know how to. He's trying to stay away from the taxes. They're killing him. He said, like truly killing him.
right.
Does he have
So,
cash for a down payment?
Does he what?
Does he have cash for a down
Oh, yeah,
payment?
he's multi-million. Yeah, he's
Oh,
got.
so the DSCR Anthony, I'm sorry, she asked you. Go ahead.
no, go ahead. You
I was
telling her
gonna
that?
say the DSCR programs, his credit score, it just would determine more so what his interest rate would be. So
Yeah.
as the first, they're different from getting like a residential, like, primary residential loan.
Yeah. So he
So
can go
he,
down, just so you know, that program goes down to 600, right?
Mhm.
600 credit score. The lower your score, the more you have to put down, obviously, right? So 600 score is 75%, I mean 25% down.
Yeah,
And then
just fine.
680 is you can go as low as 15% down.
Okay.
So he has several options. If I'm him though, and if he has
Uh-huh.
money, I'm all wonder why his scores are so low. If
Oh,
he
he
can
went
get,
bankrupt. He had to do bankrupt in 2016. He
uh,
almost died. He was in all he because of what do they call hospital fees.
yeah.
So we wiped him out. Yeah.
So what he could do is so the bankruptcy is not going to be an issue because it's more than 3 years, so we don't care about that in the mortgage business.
Okay.
What he could do is if he has this debt that's out there, he could get into a payment agreement on that
He
debt.
doesn't. It's gone. Remember,
Oh, it's gone.
he filed bankruptcy, so he
Oh,
doesn't
he
have it.
filed bankruptcy. But a lot of times when people file bankruptcy, they still don't get the stuff removed from their credit.
Oh.
People assume that
Oh.
the debts is going to magically disappear, right? I filed bankruptcy in 2009 on all my debt, 20 something $1 million, right? And I sent my bankruptcy papers into the three credit bureaus and they put everything zeroed out and I rebuilt
Okay.
my credit to 800, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
what he needs to do is send
Uh-huh.
his thick bankruptcy package
Okay.
into TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian so they can put on his credit report, including bankruptcy, and 00000, and then
Okay.
obviously get him some new credit. His score could easily be 700, 800, easily, easily.
Okay.
Yeah, and if
Okay.
he needs to talk to me about it, I would love to
Yeah,
talk to him.
I'll give him your information. So,
Yeah, you just call me and I'll talk to him about it. Yeah,
yeah.
tell him to text me. Yeah, and
Okay.